Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to see or check your Roblox password. If you want to see your Roblox password or if you want to check your Roblox password, this video will guide you through to see your Roblox password. Can you watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps? Let's start. First, you launch your Roblox app. You launch your Roblox app, so you click on the Roblox. It will open. You wait patiently for it to open. So when it open like this, you see down there more. You have home, chat, avatar, party, and more. You click on the more. When you come here, you see settings, so you click on the settings. Under settings, see there's plenty things here. You click on account info, so you wait patiently. Under the under the account info, this thing will appear here. So here you see password. You see password. When you click on the pencil in front of the password, you can see your Roblox. So like if you want to change, you can change, but our motive, you see current password, new password, confirm. Since you don't know your current password, you can't change the password. So here you click add, press key, continue. Here to ask for two-step verification. So you add your password here to verify your two-step verification. But listen, one thing is the motive is to see your password, but you don't know your password. So how can you tell? So you close it. So you come here, go to Google or your email. So you go to the email you used to register the Roblox. So you click on here. So when you click, see manage account, manage Google account. You click on that one. When you click on that one, it will bring you here. You then go to security. You click on the security. You scroll down. You scroll. You see password manager. So you click on the password manager. So under the password manager, all the apps that you have installed is here. So we then go to Roblox. So click on the Roblox. So you click on the Roblox. So when you click on the Roblox, you see the username and the password. So when you click on the eye, it will open the password so that you see your Roblox password. So you see there's a box in here that is copy. So you click it to copy the password. So when I click the eye, it will open for me to see how the password is. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.